Who has cheaper cars, Copart or IAA? We're going to get straight into it. Well, let's talk about fees first. First of all, fees are about the same, right? The insurance auto auction fees may be a little bit higher. Um, but I'm gonna be honest with y'all. That's a tough one. Okay, like don't no auction has the cheaper price, bro. Like it's it's not one. I will say this: you will probably get more money running your car through. I can't say that either, man. That question, like when people ask, like, who's cheaper, this auction or that auction, or this auction or that auction? Like, honestly, y'all, excuse me. Different days is different prices. Different days, different prices. In different times of the year too. Like like when tax time is around, every things are more booming. Prices are higher. Excuse me. I actually need some water, but I don't have no water over around here. Yes, I do. Perfect. Okay. Different times of the year, different prices you gonna pay for cars. Like what I'm noticing now is cars are cheaper, but I ain't been getting no hits on my cars. You know what I'm saying? That's why cheap cars sell like they be selling. When you got stuff a little bit more expensive. But that's a whole nother video. But to be honest with y'all, neither one of them have cheaper prices. It's just gonna matter of who there that day and who want that car. Honestly, you feel me? I'm not gonna say you can get your Hellcat cheaper at Copart than you can at IAA. I'm not about to say that. I'm not about to say you can get your AMG Benz cheaper at IAA. Excuse me, or cheaper at Copart, or any other auction at that. Like, it just all depends on who won it that day and what time of the year it is. You feel me? But if you want to learn more information about how to get your dealer license, you know what I'm saying? How to get your license in any state. You don't got to have a lot. You don't got to have an office space. I got the plug for y'all in my whdacademy.com monthly membership. With the membership, I know a way you guys can get your license. No hassle, right? You get excuse me, you get one video weekly lesson, you know what I'm saying? So I'm be updating on y'all on stuff that I buy, why I didn't buy certain stuff, what I seen this week. And you get access to my private Discord where you can speak to me at any time. And you get 50% off 25-minute coaching calls with your boy, you feel me? Because I like to just say I mastered Copart and IAA, you feel me? But these tips and tricks that I got in my academy, man, they can help you with literally any auction, you know what I mean? Like, I just started going to Copart and IAA just all the time now, and I just skip the dealer auction, you know what I'm saying? There is a reason for that, but you guys don't have to do that. You guys can get auction access. whdacademy.com, link is in the description. Excuse me, I'm so sorry this video. Or if you just want to need a broker to use, I got one in a link in the description. I'm about to show y'all that ad after this. And use my auto auction research tool, man. But I'm gonna be honest with y'all, don't know auction got cheaper prices, bro. It just all depends on what day it is, who want that car, and what time of the year it is. I'm gonna just be honest with y'all. So appreciate y'all. But I will say this, I shop more at Copart just because they have a wider selection. It's a bigger auction, you know what I'm saying? They get 11 million visitors per month compared to the insurance auto auction that only gets 2 million visitors per month. You see what I'm saying? So Copart gonna have more of a selection of cars. But yeah, appreciate y'all for tuning in. Short video today. It's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray. I'm out today. WHD Academy. Peace. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Just want to tell you guys about this Auto A Stat research tool that I use to find out what's the history on all these Copart and insurance auto auction cars. It gets to tell you the auctions, how many auctions it's been to, the mileage, if the car has been staged by a dealer, as you can see. So if you would like to use this research tool, make sure you click the link in the description below.